you just got your metate. I'm gonna show you guys how to cure it. And the first thing that you want to do is that you want to rinse the metate with water just to get some of those particles off. Now the biggest question, should you use soap? And the answer really depends on what type of soap that you're using. So if it's unscented, you can go ahead and use some soap. I only have this one, so I'm not going to use any soap today. So go ahead and rinse. Get a brush and then just scrub. Now you can use a metate to make several dishes. You can make salsas. You can make chocolate. You probably know this as chocolate abuelita. You can also make mole. You can make a lot of things. When you buy a metate, you always want to make sure that it's 100% volcanic stone, because there are some places that will sell you a cement metate, and you don't want to use those because then you're gonna have cement particles on your food. Now we're done with the metate. Now you want to rinse and scrub the mano. The mano resembles a rolling pin. Now once you're done rinsing and scrubbing, you're gonna let this sit overnight, and then we're gonna come back the next day and we're gonna cure it using dry rice. It's been 24 hours, so you're gonna need a pillow. If you do it on the table, it's uncomfortable. Yeah, you're gonna need rice, and then I'm just gonna put this down here. Let me show you. I'm just gonna put this baking tray down here. Now just add your rice. This is about a 1/3 cup. You're gonna keep grinding until there are no more dirt particles on the rice. Do this about 3 times. As you can tell, you can see there's dirt. So we're gonna do it again, and then we're just gonna switch sides. You see how it's dirty? You want the rice powder to just be clean without any dirt particles. So it could take 3-4 times. It really just depends. You know, it's so cold outside, but after doing this, you're gonna get hot. Now this is the second time. It's still dirty, so we're gonna do it again. I haven't used this side, so we're gonna do this side. So now we're gonna do this again because it still looks a little dirty. Okay, so I still see some dirt. I think we're gonna do it again. So this is like the 5th time. Let me show you. I'm really blind, but I feel like I still see some dirt. So just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, there's still more. And then it's gonna be like hard for you to distinguish which side you're always gonna use, so you could just keep rotating it. That way you can cure all sides. Okay, finally we did it. It looks clean. Let me show you. Okay, I think we're done. It looks pretty white to me. So now with your brush, you want to take off as much of the rice powder as you can. And then you're gonna need a lot of garlic for this part. Make a paste with your garlic. And then as I'm doing this, I'm rotating the mano just to cure all sides. Now you just have to rinse and scrub really good, and then you're done. You just have to let it dry before you use it. Remember, like I said, you don't have to use soap to wash it. You can just use water, but if you feel safer using soap, then you can just use unscented soap. Now come back, because next time I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate using a metate.